Stop the clock. That's what Joshua said. Stop the clock. And so I said, sure.
I believe it.
That seems like a lot of flour a lot of flour to reserve. You don't put any yeast in this recipe?
No. I don't know of any pasta that has yeast in it ever.
Okay, it says, so this is the same as chapati.
Yes. You're making a great big oblong chapati or square chapati. That's what you're doing.
Well, if I have to use it, do I use one cookie sheet or two?
I think with that amount it is 2 cookie sheets because 1 cookie sheet, a cup and a half of grain will make a nice thin cut pizza, but you want your pasta about half that thickness.
So I have to use those ones that I showed you because those are the only ones I have.
Oh well, yeah, that should work.
Well, the batteries are going dead.
Uh-oh. Did they take a special battery?
I'm here.
Those are rechargeable. Okay.